बोला वो ये बैग कितना है? 500 रुपये दो लॉकर का।
अब लास्ट टाइम जब जमा था तब आप बोलते सर
भाई हमको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा भाई, तेरे को एक बता।
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and yes, today is day 3 of the ride. We are leaving from Rajasthan and we are heading towards Amritsar. So it's around 240 odd kilometers, which is going to take approximately 4.5 hours depending on the road condition. So see you guys on the road.
Hey people, so here we have the sun is out and shining bright and beautiful sceneries on the road. You know, we have fields on the right and on the left. There are rice fields. Again, this is Punjab, and yes, Google keeps playing with us from highways. It's got us back again into these internal roads, which again, you know, the speed cuts down since you can't ride fast. And what a beautiful sight! You know, seeing a monkey enjoying his ride on the internal roads with his owner. So beautiful sight again over here.
Welcome to Amritsar, guys.
Okay, so here we are reaching Tari border right now, and that's where it is, and we are in the tuk-tuk right now, all of us. Brian, Rally, Ryan and Angelo is in the front. Okay people, so we are walking towards the Wagah border. Certain things you all need to keep in mind when you all come here. You can't carry a lot of, you can't carry power banks. What else, Ranj?
We could not carry actually the pouch, the
Bags, big bags.
big bags, even your sling bags you cannot carry,
Yeah.
and no wallets, no power banks, as Rally said, Freddy said. Wallets
Wallets allowed.
But keep everything in the front for you.
Yeah. And again,
And they are forcing, people are forcing you to do face painting, buy flags, buy caps. Don't do that because
yeah,
it's not needed.
it's their business. They're trying to pull some money out of you. So if you're doing it, do it on your own risk. Don't blame us.
Okay guys, so after that action-packed performance put up by none other than our very own BSF soldiers, yes, it was a thrilling sight to watch. You know, send those shivers down my spine, and I was really amazed, and you know, I had goosebumps experiencing it at that point of time. It felt like I was there performing along with them, and yes, as an Indian, it was a proud moment for me to be there and witness that. I've always heard about it, and yes, today I've got a chance to go ahead and look at it. And it's this time of the day when we have both the flags being lowered down from the pole, you know, at the same time. That's the Indian flag and the Pakistani flag, and this happens every day at the Atari border in the evening during sunset. So you got to be there and experience it. Again, it's once in a lifetime experience that you should really go ahead and witness.
Okay guys, so that was it from the Wagah border. Now we are heading towards the Golden Temple. So let's see if we are able to make it in time because we are coming in an electric rickshaw. So this is the crowd that was there for the ceremony, and it was very hot. You can see how they are all sweating, become dark. And yeah, Dali is cooling me off, my brother. Dali, Ryan, what do you all have to say about today's?
It was so energetic that if that BSF guy said Akraman Karo, Freddy would have ran on the other side.
Yeah, and what do you have to say?
Why did you leave this fellow that side? Why didn't you leave this fellow that side?
I have done the arrangement.
He's wearing also green, I'm wearing blue.
बोल सकते थे आप ईमानदारी से पैसा कमाना है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ देने के लिए रेडी था ना। हम लोग 200 रुपये दे दिया या 200 वाले में मिलता है। ये छोटा बैग डाला था बस यार, वो भी करके मैं भी भरकर वो अभी बोला सेट को बुला रहा है मेरे, वो खुद बोला भी सेट को बुला रहा है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है,
खुद वर्कर है।
तो तुम अच्छे से बात करो ना, मतलब जिसको बताना है ये 150 का है 200 है, ले लो पैसा, ये नहीं बोल रहे हम, लेकिन इज्जत से कमाओ ना पैसा। ऐसे पागल बना के मत कमाओ पैसा।
ये पागल वाली बात नहीं है।
ऑफकोर्स अभी वो खुद बोला ना मेरे को, बोला वो पैसा ये बैग कितना है 500 रुपये तुम लॉकर का।
अब लास्ट टाइम जब जमा करता तब आप बोलते सर
पैसा हमको कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा भाई? मेरे को एक बता, आप मेरे घर पे आ रहे हो, मेरे शहर में आ रहे हो, मेरे पास ऐसा दुकान है, मैं बताऊँ आपको कि भाई पानी का बोतल है, आपको पानी दे दिया मैंने 50 रुपये बोल दिया, बाद में बोलेगा ये सादा पानी है, आपने क्यों नहीं बोला? ऐसा बोल सकता? मैं पूछूंगा ना आपको कि भाई आपको 50 वाला पानी मिलता है या 10 रुपये वाला पानी मिलता है?
कितना है?
आगे जैसा काम करते हो यार, आप कमाओ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं बिंदास बोल रहा हूँ, यूट्यूब पे वीडियो पे कमाओ पैसा, लेकिन इज्जत से कमाओ पैसा। अरे लेकिन वो तो मैं तुमका ना, मैं बोलता हूँ 50 रुपये और देता था, आप बोलते हैं ना हम इधर धूप में मर रहे हैं, ऐसे चूते बना के मत कमाओ,
आप जब
वो गलत है। मैं इसके लिए झगड़ा कराओ, 50 रुपये मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है भाई मेरे।
जब आपने पे किया तब आप इशू बोलते कि भैया
अरे कैसा मालूम पड़ेगा मेरे को? अभी तू मेरे को जीन्स, तू मेरे को शर्ट बेच रहा है, तू मेरे को बोलता था। हाँ फिर वही बोल रहा हूँ ना।
Okay people, so right now we are walking towards the Golden Temple, and I'll show you the place from here. There's a market as well where you can go ahead and buy stuff that you want. Okay, so
Okay people, so this is a market area just outside the Golden Temple. So here you have all different type of shop, from your clothes, footwear, sweets, you name it, and it's there. And again, it's a busy street, so you got to make the best of it and be aware while you are shopping as well.
what you see behind me is the memorial that they have made for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre that had happened. If you go way back in history, you will know what exactly it was. So that's the entrance behind, but we are not going there right now. And opposite is the Golden Temple. Now over there, you cannot take cameras and go inside. You can't remove videos. You can only remove pictures. So I was not able to remove a video of the place. Okay everybody, so that was it from Amritsar, the Wagah border and the Golden Temple. Now the chaos that you seen at Wagah border was all about a locker that we had rented out, as you know, you can't carry bags, power banks, you know, you can't carry all that stuff and go when you're going to Wagah border. So we had rented out a locker, and again there were two types of lockers, one big, one small, and the charges were not made very clear to us at the start. So we just had a small sling bag, the one that you put around your waist. That was it that we had. So we kept most of our stuff in that, and we kept it in the locker. So the argument was all about charges not being very clear to us at the start. So if you guys are going to go there, make sure that you all clarify things before you all go ahead and take those lockers. And again, at Amritsar, the Golden Temple, you're not allowed to do video shooting and all that stuff. You can't carry cameras like Handycam and GoPros and all. No, you can't carry that. So yeah, you can take your mobile and go. So I just managed to click pictures. I was not able to remove a video of the entire place, as it's restricted. And again, I didn't want to
take any chances, because again it's a religious place, so I didn't want to hurt anyone's sentiments by doing something which is not supposed to be done. So yeah, I respect that. Apart from that, guys, it was a beautiful day that we spent at Wagah border and the Golden Temple. So again, if you all have liked what you all have watched, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, yes, don't forget to subscribe and keep those comments coming, as they keep me going. So till next time, guys, stay in, ride safe, and do keep in mind there's someone waiting back at home. So till next time,